Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So when you put it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here. So you want to start off by finding your desired language from the list right here, which I'll be sticking with English, that is selected for me by default, and then we can select next. This takes us to the SIM insert page. Now this step is completely optional. If you want to do so, go right ahead and pop in your SIM card. You can also do it on the next page or the next page or at any other page throughout the setup process, and it literally doesn't change anything. The moment you insert a SIM card, it will automatically get recognized and will work. Now the reason why you can see it right at the beginning of the setup is because you can insert your SIM card, or you can for mobile data, or you can connect to Wi-Fi, and this will give you the option to log into your Google account throughout the setup process. If you choose to skip both of those, then Google login page will be completely skipped if it has no network connection. Even though you can insert your SIM card for that mobile network, you already passed that point where it will give you the option to log into Google account throughout the setup process. Now I'll mention that both of those things can be later on changed throughout. Once the device is set up, you can go simply to the settings, and from there log into Wi-Fi, pop in a SIM card, whatever you want, and go to accounts and add your Google account, and it will work just fine. And additionally, without any kind of network throughout the setup process, date and time will not be set automatically. Now that will also be changed automatically once your phone connects to some kind of network. Now here we have terms and conditions. No phone can go without those. So let's select agree, and user experience programs you can join or not, depending on what you want. We have about service permissions, so we have Wi-Fi plus service and weather services. Obviously, if you want those, enable them, and then we can go to next page. And here's the Wi-Fi connection, so I'm just gonna skip this for now, but obviously you can connect to Wi-Fi if you want to. We have Google services, so we have things like help apps find location. So this is basically location sending, or location. This is the scanning and then sending user and diagnostic data. At least that's how it's called nowadays. And basically the quick version of it is location GPS tracking. Scanning allows the device to look for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals, and then sending user and diagnostic data allows Google to spy on you. From there, go to the bottom, select next. You have set up your BNDL21. I guess it's just the serial number of it, or like the code of it. So here you can either copy apps and data from an old device if you have one, or you can set it up as new, which is what I'm going to be choosing. And again, there is a data transfer, though this is a option for their phone clone application, or I think that's how it's called. So this will allow you to download their application on your old device, connect these two phones together, and quickly move over all the data that you want by giving you the option to select whichever thing you want to move over. But I'm setting it up as new, so I'm skipping this. Cloud, enable cloud or not, that's completely up to you if you want to have your stuff stored in the cloud. This is from Honor. I don't think this is the Google one, so keep that in mind. Fingerprint touch control allows you to do different things with your fingerprint at the back sensor. This is not an option, this is just basically a page for you to let you know what you can do with it. Fingerprint ID, we can set up a screen lock right here, or skip it. So by selecting this, I'm gonna enable it. Even though it tells me fingerprint ID, if I go to enable, it also tells me to set up a PIN first. So I'm gonna select one, like so, continue. Need to now confirm it. And all I want is actually the PIN, so I will disregard this, go back. Hello, there we go. And I'm gonna skip it, which will keep the PIN but not the fingerprint. And this finishes up the setup. So let's select get started and get presented with the home screen. So there we go. So that is how you can go through the setup of your phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.